In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a color halftone pattern photo effect in Photoshop in just a few simple steps. This is a great effect if you want to turn a regular image into something bold, graphic, and print style. With that classic pop art halftone look, it's perfect for posters, thumbnails, social graphics, and creative photo edits. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and load the image you want to use. You can do this by going to File and then Open, or by dragging the image directly into the workspace. Once your photo is open, the first thing we need to do is make sure the document is in the right color mode. Go up to the Image menu, choose Mode, and then select RGB color. After that, make sure it is set to 8 bits per channel. This is important because the color halftone filter works best in this mode, and it helps avoid issues when applying the effect. Now, before we apply the filter, there's an optional step that I definitely recommend. Right-click on your image layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This is not required, but it is very useful because it lets you apply the effect non-destructively. That means if you want to come back later and change the filter settings, you can do that without damaging the original image. It gives you much more flexibility, especially if you're experimenting with different looks. Once your layer is ready, go to the Filter menu, then choose Pixelate and click Color Halftone. As soon as you select it, Photoshop will open the settings window for the effect. This is where the halftone pattern is created, and the settings you use will determine how bold or subtle the final result looks. A good starting point for the max radius setting is somewhere between 6 and 10. If you want smaller, tighter dots and a more detailed effect, use a lower number. If you want larger, more obvious halftone dots, increase the radius a little. For a lot of images, a value around 8 is a great place to begin, but feel free to adjust depending on the size and style of your photo. Next, you'll see the channel angle settings. These control the direction of the dot patterns for each color channel, and they are what give the effect its interesting layered look. Use 108 degrees for channel 1, 162 degrees for channel 2, 90 degrees for channel 3, and 45 degrees for channel 4. These values create a balanced halftone pattern that usually works very well as a starting point. Once you've entered the settings, click OK and Photoshop will immediately apply the halftone effect to your image. You should now see your photo transformed into a colorful dot pattern with that eye-catching printed texture. If the dots are too large or too small, don't worry. Since this is a smart object, you can always double-click the filter and adjust the settings again until it looks exactly how you want it. At this point, you can also take the effect even further by combining it with other adjustments like adding contrast, changing the background, or placing the image over a solid color for a stronger graphic design look. But even on its own, the color halftone pattern gives your photo a really fun and modern style. So there you have it. That's how to create a color halftone pattern photo effect in Photoshop. It's fast, easy, and once you know the settings, you can use this technique on all kinds of images. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips, tricks, and creative effects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.